What's up, guys? It's Charlie, back again to absolutely decimate your entire world with an atomic hand grenade filled with SEO knowledge. My name, if you don't know it, is Charles Manuel, and I am the founder and CEO of MountainMan Digital. And today, what I want to cover for you guys are the #1 resources that you can use to teach yourself SEO. No gurus, no courses to buy, no books to purchase, no software to install, just simple sites that you can go to, either sanctioned by Google or run by Google itself, that will actually help you get your site to rank. Stick around.
People, like Grandma Warbucks calling up and saying, I saw your ad on the TV.
Charlie, I want to pee off.
Out here first is the reason why a video like this is actually important. Why do you actually need to know where to get your information for SEO? Well, first of all, there's a lot of money involved with SEO. It's a lot of skin in the game, because if you rank #1 for a major keyword, you're going to make a lot of money. Or more importantly, if you have a course or a software or a program that you can convince folks will actually get them results, they'll pay a lot of money for it for the exact same reason. Okay? So it's important to know out the gate that pretty much all the information that you need to teach yourself SEO is out there for free. And anybody looking to sell you something, they better have a good reason. It better be for a specific industry, or it better be because they've proven they can do something that everybody else can't. Alright, so the #1 easiest place for you guys to get information first is right from Google. Okay, Google has a developer's repository of data that will give you how-to guides, answer questions, and even run certain tests on your own website, the page will itself, to show you what you need to do to make your site rank. Okay, this is the #1 place where you should start, even if you don't know anything about SEO. You should go to developers.google.com and just start looking through the data. Okay, for all of us here, except for some weirdos maybe that want to try and rank on Bing, Google is the #1 place that you're trying to get your site to show up. So why not start at the beginning? Okay, start by trying to learn as much as you can from the source first. So that's developers.google.com. The #2 thing that you guys can use very, very easily is another Google product called the Google PageSpeed Insights. And you can just Google that, and then it'll pop right up. And what you do with that is you plug your site into it, and that will show you the major problems that Google wants you to fix so that you're playing the rules of SEO, like to say. And what I mean by that is your site's not going to rank on the front page just because you get 100 on your page speed from Google, but it's not going to hurt, okay? And very rarely do you find sites with low page speed scores that are on the front page. Normally, when you have a page speed that's in the 20s and the 10s and the 30s, somewhere down there, it doesn't rank. Once you're able to get that page speed up, you actually start to see results. So do not count this out. It's a foundational piece of SEO, and it's also one of the best ways you can learn what Google's looking for. So definitely use that page speed tool. #3 is going to be using Ahrefs.com. Now this is a third-party software, and I said that you need to be careful of those, but Ahrefs is a very, very powerful software insofar as you being able to track competition, track keywords, look for keyword opportunities, and really anything else if you're actually in a competitive keyword space. Now this software does cost. I'm not sponsored for this. I'm not going to give you guys an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a software that I use for myself and my clients because it's so powerful. Okay? And if you're really serious about getting your small business to rank on Google in 2020, using a powerful indexing software like Ahrefs is going to take all the guesswork out of your workflow. It's going to make sure that you're actually doing meaningful work to get your site to rank for the keywords you want. And it's going to pay itself back tenfold the month that you get it, because it's going to give you so many insights into what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, the keyword opportunities that you weren't able to find, and so many other things. So I definitely recommend giving it a shot. I think there's like a 7-day trial for $7 or something like that. It's very, very cheap to give it a shot. But I think once you give it a try, you won't want to go back. Now, if you're looking for some free options to do similar things, there's 2 things I want to bring up. Number 1 is going to be spyfoo.com. Okay? Now, spyfoo.com, you don't even need to make an account to run a report on your site. You just go there, type in your domain name, and it'll pull a bunch of data for how Google has been ranking your site since it was incepted, your site. So this is a really, really powerful tool to use, especially if you're just trying to get a quick feel on how Google's ranking your site, how your competition's getting ranked by Google, and some possible opportunities in the keyword space. Not nearly as in-depth as Ahrefs, but if you just want to get your feet wet, awesome place to start. The other piece that's going to help you with that keyword portion that I mentioned with Ahrefs, that's also free, is going to be Google's Keyword Planner. Once again, back into the Google universe. Now, the Keyword Planner is actually made for Google ads, okay? But that doesn't mean that there isn't a ton of meaningful data there, because the main way that they're getting that data is still search. So as you see different search volumes, different competitions for keywords, and you're able to do a search of lookalike keywords using that platform as well, you'll start to notice that there's a lot of really powerful items you can use right inside that free tool to develop a keyword strategy without losing your mind or spending a ton of money. So those are my main tools that I use myself every day to teach myself more about SEO, okay? And that gives me all the information that I need to serve my clients, to get them results, and to grow my own page rank as well. If you have any questions or you think that there's a free tool that I missed, please comment it down below. Other than that, be sure to walk down the street, say hi to your neighbor, ask him for a cup of sugar, come on back to the house, walk back into your office, turn on this video, and hit that freaking like button. And if you can't do that, I don't know how I can help you. But thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one.